Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of this channel, Bhaskara Uvacha. Bhaskara is my name and I am a Vedic astrologer from India, and Bhaskara Uvacha means Bhaskara speaks. Friends, on this channel I will be mostly talking about Vedic astrology, spirituality, mantra chanting or mantra sadhana, Hindu religion, etc., etc., and any other thing that I find interesting. I would be discussing with you, but my main aim is to will be to help you all know more about astrology and also help you with astrological insights and spiritual insights to live a more satisfying life. So in this first video, I will be discussing with you the most fundamental or foundational ideas of Vedic astrology. Uh, the first question that arises in everybody's mind, that what are the philosophical basis of Vedic astrology? Actually, Vedic astrology, the roots of Vedic astrologies are in the Vedas. And Vedas have declared that yatha pinde tatha brahmande, yatha brahmande tatha pinde. What does that Sanskrit statement mean? So this statement actually means that as is the microcosm, yatha pinde, so is the macrocosm, tatha brahmande. And similarly, as is the macrocosm, so is the microcosm. So it's both way. So in one atom of the universe, the secrets of the entire universe is hidden, and if you know the whole universe, you will also know one atom of the universe. So it's a vice versa. As is, or you can interpret it differently, as is the individual, so is the universe, and similarly as is the universe, so is the individual. Or you can interpret it as is the human being, that is Jiva Purush, so is the cosmic man, Kala Purush. And similarly, as is the cosmic man, Kala Purush, so is the human, Jiva Purush. So there is a correspondence, correlation between things happening with the Jiva Purush, that is, we are humans, and the Kala Purush, the whole universe imagined as a cosmic man. And things happening in our life and things happening in the cosmos, they are both correlated, and the universal principles governing the working of us and universe, and the principles that govern the working of the whole universe, they are all interrelated. They are not different from each other. They may manifest in different forms at different level of manifestation of the universe, but the universal principles are same. So Vedic astrology believes that we humans are an integral part of the universe, and there is a correlation between things and events happening in our life and entities and events of the universe as observed from Earth. Astrology helps us understand our life through understanding this correlation between our life and events and entities in our local universe, that is solar system, seen against the entire universe. So what we try to understand in astrology, we try to understand that rules of correlation, that how events and entities of this local universe that we are part of, our local universe is our solar system, how the events and entities of this solar system as observed from Earth against the backdrop of the whole universe, uh, how these entities and events of this local universe is correlated with events uh, happening in our life or things present in our life. Like you must have heard, moon is seen, say moon in astrology is related to mother in our life. Sun in astrology is related to father in our life. Mars relates to younger siblings. So that way. So things and events in our life have some correlation with things and events happening in our local universe, and to understand that correlation and to understand the rules of those correlations is the main aim of studying astrology. What are the basic components of Vedic astrology? We have 12 signs in the zodiac, which are known as 12 rashis. So sign, the word sign in English, the zodiac sign in English, in Vedic astrology we call it them rashis. So sign and rashi, it's just one and the same thing. In English we call it a zodiac sign, and in Sanskrit we call it a rashi. A rashi basically is a pile of stars. And then we have 9 planets. And planets, the word, the equivalent word for planet, astrological planet in Vedic astrology is a graha. What does a graha means? A graha is something that can grab our consciousness and can make us, do things as per the cosmic plan. So grahas can remotely grab our consciousness and control our choices, our behavior. So anything which is capable of grabbing our consciousness, anything in the cosmos, in the sky, that is capable of grabbing our consciousness and affecting us, will be a graha. So sun, although normally sun is not a planet, sun is a star. A scientist would say astrologers are mad. They treat sun as a planet. The problem is that the word grahas, graha is a wrong, has been wrongly translated, and when English translation of Vedic astrology books were made, word graha was translated as a planet, whereas originally graha meant to be anything. Graha, the word graha meant anything in the sky that can grab our consciousness and that can affect our, control our choices, our behavior, etc. So since sun can do that, we all live as per the day and night cycle. So sun is basically controlling our behavior, our sleep pattern, and so many things. So sun is a graha because it can control us. It can grab our consciousness and control our behavior, our choices. Similarly, moon was also observed to be doing that. So although moon is a satellite, scientifically a satellite, but as per astrological definition of graha, uh, it is one of the graha. Similarly, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. These have Sanskrit names also. Sun is Surya in Vedic astrology, Moon is Chandra in Vedic astrology, Mars is Mangal, Mercury is Buddha, Jupiter is Brihaspati, Venus is Shukra, Saturn is Shani, Rahu is North Node. Actually, Rahu is the Sanskrit word itself. In English, it is North Node of Moon, and Ketu is South Node of Moon. Then we have 12 houses in the horoscope, and then we have 27 nakshatras. So 12 signs or 12 rashis, 9 grahas or 9 planets, 12 houses, and 27 nakshatras. These are the basic components of Vedic astrology. And in the next videos, next series of videos, I will be making briefly be explaining you more about every basic component of Vedic astrology. And so wait for my videos and subscribe to my channel, and you may write to me for getting a reading on your Vedic horoscope. My email is cosmicbond7@gmail.com.